Hey family members, this is your home girl Ashidemis and you're watching Ashidemis Food Porno. Thank you so much for always watching my video. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of these delicious recipes. Like, join the family. So guys, today I'll be making quite different, like very different meal as usual. This meal is actually called scoff. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's called you've seen it in the title. I can't remember the spelling, but I'll put it there. Soufflé Omelette, otherwise known as fluffy omelette. I think it's a Japanese meal. Is it Japanese or China or something? I don't know. I'll check it out. So it doesn't have to be Japanese or any other country before you enjoy some sort of meal. And one thing about this meal is the fact that you use just two egg, as if you were to do to double it. Just two egg, guys. If you are interested in doubling 2 eggs that should look like 10 or 15 egg, make sure to stay tuned. Now that is why I'm telling you to click that subscribe button and join the family now. So guys, if you like, make sure to actually invite your friends, invite your family. Man, do ya good, like not be only you go to enjoy this kind of thing, you understand? Invite other people. So guys, today we'll be making Soufflé omelette. We're actually making omelette, yeah. A very fluffy omelette, and with this recipe, watching this video, you know how to make very fluffy meals, how to make you shall know it, yeah. So here with me I have egg. That's the only thing I'm using, just one ingredient. Other ones is going to be your incorporation. So this is just the plain version. And I'll be posting the vegetable version soon. I'll be the vegetable version. So that is why I am telling you, make sure you click that subscribe button after watching this one. Do you want to mix the vegetable version? No, do you better subscribe now. Don't me, because if I upload the video, I'm not gonna be calling you in your house. Come and watch you. Better subscribe now. So guys, this is my egg. As usual, I've actually washed my hand, and as I do say, before you break your egg, make sure to wash it very well, because even if you're breaking it, you know this egg is picked from poultry, though it's looking fresh now, and I bought it from the mall, from the supermarket. At least they used to sell fresh, but even at that, you still have to wash it with normal liquid soap to remove all the yama before you actually break it, because if you break it as it is without washing, whatever dirt or dust or anything coming is going directly into your food, and we don't want that. You know, here in Ashidemis Food Porno, we're actually very particular about hygiene. Hygiene is our middle name, is our first name, is our last name, is our AKA hygiene. Always prepare very hygienic meal. So guys, I just bought this mixing bowl and some other gadgets, and I did an unboxing video. Like I told you, a lot of recipes coming. Are you ready to mix this thing? You are going to subscribe? Are you going to mix it? Mix chef, do you want to miss all these sweet delicacies, or you subscribe, or you click that subscribe button now? You still dey whine me? So guys, stay tuned. Let's get started. So guys, first thing first, as I said, you're going to wash the egg. You can see all this white paint everywhere. Don't mind all these hoodlum painters. They just came to stain everywhere. I paid for a professional painting. They charged me for all of them. They just came to just stain everywhere. So we are seeing the process of this thing. So I just put soap in my wash sponge, and I'm just going to squeeze it. And what I'm using one is because I'm using my microphone. Guys, if you like the sound you're hearing now, you're not really I don't say, because my house is actually close to the main road, so all those bike and Okada, I think I even want to put a signboard outside, be like, please don't horn while passing this area, because they're actually disturbing my videos. But then it's better than this thing. So that's why I'm washing the egg. And now, so we've actually washed our eggs. Most times, if you don't have this whisker, you might not be able to prepare this recipe. But then you can actually use fork. But that one, you say your hand, you will see something. So guys, this recipe, I will not say it's kind of messy. That's because I don't have yolk separator. But if you have yolk separator, but I take it to do it. But me, I don't like egg touching my hand. So it might and it might not. So we are separating this egg. We need only the yolk. Only. So put the yolk here. It's still inside safe. Then the next one, you just remove it gently. So even if you don't have this angle off, you can actually use normal kitchen nylon. And if you actually so guys, can you see we need only the egg white, only egg white only, and nothing more. So even before I dispose my nylon, make sure to wash it with soap and water before you throw it inside your dustbin because of the smell. But if you like egg smell, like so forth. So I'm washing my hands with soap. I can't move the camera, I can't touch anything with this egg smell. Even my tap, I used my jaw, not jaw, I used my elbow to open it. And so you put in sugar, or we're using 1 tablespoon of sugar. So 2 eggs for 1 tablespoon of sugar. And now we're going to whisk it. So the sugar is just like an activator. To activate it. Jesus, it's not easy. If you have your normal hand mixer, that electric one, you can use it, but most I like to use manual instruments or kitchen equipment, gadgets, because of some of my family members that doesn't have it. No, imagine being a student, what you want to do with mixer. Even me as a YouTuber, I just got my mixer. And anything you're using, make sure it's deep like this. That is not easy. I'm trying to get MMM. So guys, my hand is paining me, so now I'm just going to be using my mixer. But that one should not actually discourage you. Yeah. So if you do not mix your yolk separately, like if you not separate it, there's no how you can do it. It won't form because this yolk is fat to make it rise or something. I've forgotten the real recipe. So this one you mix it. You see, no matter how you do this one, it will not do. Make sure to mix it, and then you're just going to use this to mix this. Again, last so what we're doing is, guys, is we're just going to pour this into our egg whites. And then we're just going to fold it gently, so that our this thing does not break. Our foam that will form does not break. So you can achieve this through and through, but then so make sure to use a soft spoon. I'm using my silicone spoon, and you do it gently. This gently. So guys, who will tell this is just as this is going on, you heat up your pan to lower it. So guys, I'm actually washing my pan and I'm just going to join the oil. So I'm putting it on a very low heat, extremely low heat. I'm just giving this to heat up. So while that is heating, I'm just going to put in my oil. This is not normal oil, this is oil that I use in preparing stuff. So I'm just going to rub it around like this. So why is making this noise? Because I washed my my pan, my pastry brush. That's why it's making that to make sure the oil is coating the down part of the pot. So even while mixing, before and while you are doing your egg, you can add salt. But since I have added sugar, and because the oil I'm using is not plain oil, it has taste of stock in it. So that's why I didn't add it again. And as I did tell you, you have to be careful and mindful of your oil. So next we're doing is not allow the oil to be too hot. You just need it to just heat up sharp. So now we're going to put in our magic I said, make sure you use a very soft spoon like this so that it does not deflate our batter. So you just try to turn it around like this. Do it gently and don't move the pan too much because na hair dey here. Yes, we doubled it, but it's full of hair. Don't move it too much. Or don't eat it against the hard surface. Everything will be good. We're going to be closing this up. I'll leave it to cook on a very low heat, extremely low heat, guys, extremely low heat. So I'm very sure some of us, in fact most of us, as particular Nigeria, be like, on top say person won't eat egg, and then we're going through a lot of this stress. At times you just have to change taste. You just have to change the menu. You just have to change the meal. Eat something different, and something like this. Maybe you are left, you want to prepare breakfast, and I left with 2 eggs. Maybe you didn't know. There are times we will forget, or we'll not even have it in mind that grocery has finished. Maybe it's in the morning, you can't buy egg, and then you have 2, and maybe you're like 2 or 3 or 4 round to eat it. What do? You just improvise. And at times you might not just be in short of it. Just eat something different. Try new recipe. Don't be doing all this regular, that one that our parents taught us, our ancestors taught all those egg, plain flat egg. Try something new. Try something. Even your body system will be like kilo day. That is why, guys, I told you to subscribe. So if you're still watching this and you've not clicked that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I've doubled something for you. What are you still waiting for? So guys, keep watching. So guys, hey. My battery was